What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be revealing to you a set and forget strategy that you can actually do set right there and be earning on autopilot right now on CPA marketing. And we're gonna be utilizing a platform out there that actually do get up to about 28.9 million visits in the last 28 days. And if you do go on to analyzing the platform based on similar web statistics, you will find out that this website actually did get most of its traffic from the United States demographic right now, which is why we're actually going to be promoting a United States offer and start getting traffic to our CPA marketing offers. So right now guys, let's dive right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, what you want to do is to head onto a CPA marketing platform which you could use to get CPA marketing offers to promote. You could use the OG ads, you could use the offer vote, you could use the CPA lead right here, and actually maybe guys, you could then just simply use the CPA grip. And if you are using any platform out there, you want to click on register, you should be shown a form which you can actually do go on to filling out appropriately, agree to the terms of services right here, and actually do go on to clicking on register. If you do that guys, you can then be brought to the dashboard of your account, if you do log into your account, and you can then just simply go into the offer tools section, click on my offers, and you'll be shown offers available to a certain demographic, and you can just simply go on to filtering the offer to any demographic of your choice. Supposing I want to promote offers to the United States demographic, because the platform we're actually going to be using right here mainly focuses on the United States or gets its traffic mostly from the United States. And as you can see right now guys, this particular platform right here, you could just simply click on any offer right now. If I do click on this offer, I can see more details to the offer, that it is for them, my leads, to actually go on to installing this particular TikTok application on their devices using an Android device, and maybe installing that particular application using my unique affiliate link. I do get paid $4.71 for every successful lead which I do get right now. I can then just simply copy the link to this particular page and actually do go on to creating a simple landing page. You can use this particular platform right here called the Google Sites to actually go on to creating a landing page, and you want to just simply click on blank to create something simple right here. As you can see, I did actually put in something like free offers right here, and for this text section, you want to just simply go on to type in something like United States offer. Right here you could put in the title to the offer, and you want to just simply type in a text such as click here. If you do click on click here right here, or I'm just going to delete this right now and do type that in again, and if I do type in something like this, I'm going to go on to highlighting this text, click on this chain icon and paste in the link to that CPA marketing offer right here in this section. So if I go back to CPA grip, copy the link to this offer, head back to this platform and paste in that particular link right here. If I do click on apply, this particular CPA marketing offer link, if I do click on this click here, it's automatically going to take me to that particular CPA marketing offer right there, and I can just simply go on to publishing this page right now. But before you do that, you want to do the same thing right here for other CPA marketing offers. At least make sure you do have at least 8 CPA marketing offers on this particular page, and that will actually lead your audience to actually go on to completing more offers, and you do earn some cool cash right here. You also want to do that for other countries also. Maybe you could put in Canada, put in the title to that offer, and just simply add in the link right there and add at least 8 CPA marketing offers. Once you're done, just simply go on to changing the background image right here to something cool, and actually do go on to clicking on publish. If you do click on publish guys, you want to select a domain to which you want to just simply go on to using for this particular page. And once you've done that, and you can then just simply click on publish, create the link right here, and actually do copy the link to this particular landing page. Then try as much as possible to drive traffic to this. And to drive traffic to this, we're going to be using this particular website called the Linkvertise. If you do go onto Google and search for Linkvertise, you can just simply click on this particular platform right here, of which you'll be brought to this page, and you can actually earn money right now online just by sharing links and on this particular platform. If you do share links and earn money on every visitor who clicks on that particular link, that can actually be achievable with this platform right here. All you actually have to do is to sign up for this platform by clicking on register, fill out your basic details or the form which requires your basic details, and do go on to logging into your account. Right now you can see I'm logged into my account. I'm just going to scroll down to this section which says create link, and I can then just simply go on to clicking on this next icon or this particular icon right now. So if you do click on create link right here, you want to paste in the link to your landing page right here in this section, and once that has actually been pasted, you can just simply go on to clicking on this next icon right here. So right now, if you do click on this particular icon, it's going to take you to this page right here where you just want to go on to putting in a shortened title right here for this particular offer. And guys, you want to just simply type in something related to that particular CPA marketing offer. Supposing that offer right there is a giveaway offer for a gift card, I can just simply type in like $500 or $300 PayPal gift card. So if I do type in something like this right here, as you can see, that is actually accepted. Right now, I can then just simply head on to this link title and just simply expand that initial title which I did have right here. If I copy this, head on to this section, paste in that right now, I can just simply go on to put in something like get it now. So if I do put in something like get it now right here, I can also go on to adding it for free. And right here guys, as you can see, this is actually accepted. I can also go on to expanding this right here in this particular section. So if I do paste in that right now and expand this, so you want to take much of your time to actually get in something cool that can actually do go on to expanding this right now. And once you successfully expand, you could then just simply go on to the next question, which is the frequently asked questions. So right here guys, I can just simply go on to the frequently asked questions and do actually use the questions right here on this particular platform. If I do click on this right now and also add this right here, I can also go on to editing this particular questions. If I don't like them, I could go on to this picture section and do go on to selecting an image for this particular section right here, upload an image for that particular CPA marketing offer. Supposing I do go back to CPA Grip and download the image to this particular offer by clicking on save image as, the image can actually go on to being downloaded on my device. And you want to also get a link right here for a YouTube video which you're actually going to go on to uploading right here in this section. So once that is all done guys, just simply click on this next icon, click on next also right here, and as you can see, your link is actually going to be analyzed, for which you can actually do go on to getting a link right now, a new link which you could use to promote that particular CPA marketing offer. And the cool thing about this is that you'll be earning from two platforms right here. You'll be earning from this particular Linkvertise platform, and you'll also be earning right here from CPA Grip. So if you do actually go on to maybe people clicking on that particular link, you're going to be earning from Linkvertise per click on that link, and you also earn from CPA Grip once you do get a successful conversion to this particular offer. So this is actually an amazing strategy. And right now, to drive traffic to this particular link right here, which you can copy to your clipboard, you then want to just simply go onto Google and search for the pinging website. And this pinging website allows you to go on to creating some back sites right there, or backlinks to a lot of platforms right now, which can actually do help your particular link to go on to ranking and getting a lot of traffic to that right there. So you can see a lot of pinging websites which you could take advantage of. And I'm just going to go on to using this particular website, which is called the indexkings.com. And right now you want to come to this section, paste in the link to your Linkvertise link right here. And once you do paste in that Linkvertise link, click on rapid index, and it's actually going to go on to generating some cool backlinks on a lot of platforms right here on this, using this particular strategy. And as you can see right here, the backlinks on these platforms has actually been created, and the list keeps on going on and on and on. So as you can see, all these platforms right here, your particular link will be promoted on those platforms, of which you can actually do go on to start making money using this exact same strategy right now. And guys, do make sure you do follow this step to promote your CPA marketing offer and earn a lot of money. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.